Hello guys, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to link a device with your Telegram app. So you can use Telegram on different devices. So let's start the video. First of all, we're gonna open the Telegram app and we go to the settings, push on it, and here you can see all the options. The option we need is devices. So you click on devices. Here you can link a desktop device with a QR code. You can also determine old sessions, and mine is 6 months. If inactive for 6 months, it's gonna delete all the sessions, but you can change that. If you link a desktop device, you click on the blue button and you scan a QR code. You're gonna see that QR code on your PC. When you scan it, it logs automatically into your account. So I hope this video helped you out to link your device with your Telegram account with another device. Please let me know down below in the comments if you have any further questions about Telegram.